How's it going? Adam Drake here, and today I have the new Flashpoint Lexan wing. Part number is FP 2157, and what you get when ordering FP 2157 is 2 complete wing kits. You also get the description, and then it shows when the wings are cut out what you actually get. So the main wing is 1.5 millimeters thick, and then there are also 2 smaller wings that come with it. So this wing has a similar design to like the J Concepts Razor wing, but is obviously Lexan. So the Lexan wing is going to be quite a bit lighter. It's going to make the car a little bit more nimble or agile. Just depends on the tuning option that you want. I've done so many videos on wings, and it's because the wings are really, really powerful. If you can have a few of these different wings in your box and understand and know for your driving and your setup when to use each of them, it can be really powerful. So with the Flashpoint wing, you can run it in a few different configurations. You can run just the large wing by itself. You can combine and run the 2 wings as one to add a little bit more stability. And you can also cut the wicker bill to different heights. You can drill the holes depending on how windy the track is or the handling that you want. The Lexan wing's not going to be quite as durable as a molded wing, but with performance and trying to get things lightweight, it's all give take. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out another wing and just kind of show you the finished product for one that's brand new that doesn't have the holes. This is one that I've already used, and I'll show you a little bit closer look. Okay, so as you can see here, I have one of the wing sets cut out. Also on the wing, there are small dimples for the wing position. I normally start in the forward-most position, which would put the wing the farthest back. You can obviously adjust the position, but this way you just have kind of a starting point. So again, I think there's maybe 5 positions or 4 or 5, and I use the front positions. I'll then just ream those with a body reamer. I'll line up the center stabilizer. Once the holes are through the wing, you can just take a Sharpie and mark the stabilizer. And then just remember, this does have a clear Lexan protective film, so you will want to pull that off. You can then take Scotch-Brite and kind of scuff the wing just to give it a little bit of like a smoked look, or you can even paint the wing your desired color if you like. If you've done testing with the wing and you find that you like always using the center stabilizer, I'll sometimes take just a little bit of shoe goo, and I'll just put a dab of shoe goo kind of in the center, and then also along both sides here. And that way, when you take the wing off to kind of clean your car, or to clean the wing, you don't have it come apart in 2 pieces. It just kind of stays together as one unit, but you can do it either way. And then from there, you can just take a Dremel, kind of clean up round the corners, and you're ready to hit the track and have another tuning option from Flashpoint RC.